In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save tabs when closing Chrome. If you regularly work with multiple tabs open, this setting can save you a lot of time. Instead of reopening your favorite sites one by one every time you close the browser, Chrome can automatically bring back the tabs you were using before. It's a simple setting, but it makes a big difference if you want to pick up right where you left off. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu, which gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings. Click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can control how the browser behaves. If you haven't been here before, don't worry, everything is organized by category, so it's fairly easy to navigate. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does each time you open the browser. By default, Chrome may open a new tab page or continue with a specific set of pages depending on how it's currently configured. What we want here is the option that restores your previous session. In the On Startup section, choose Continue where you left off. Once you select this option, Chrome is set to remember the tabs and windows you had open the last time you used it. That means the next time you close Chrome and open it again, your previously opened tabs should come back automatically. This is especially helpful if you're doing research, managing ongoing tasks, or just prefer not to lose your browsing flow between sessions. It's also a good idea to close only the tabs you no longer need before exiting Chrome, so that when the browser restores your session, it brings back only the pages you actually want. After selecting Continue where you left off, you're all set. Going forward, closing and reopening Chrome will restore the tabs you had open previously, making it much easier to continue your work without interruption. And that's all there is to it. With just a quick change in Chrome settings, you can make sure your tabs are saved automatically whenever you close the browser.